The Dow dives 272 points. My name's Dez, and down here in the corner, go to full screen. Watch us in full screen and do yourself a favor. Also click on the little gear down there and watch this in high definition to really see everything we're talking about here. And it is Tuesday, October 7th, 2014, and the markets take a nose dive. We have the S&P down 1.5%, about the same for the Dow, and the Nasdaq. Russell's down a little more than that, down 1.7%. This is just a huge drop. Gang, big drop. Banks down 1.4%, confirming today's movement. VIX also confirming today's movement, with fear increasing by more than 11%. We're at 17. That's huge. Gold up a little bit, silver down a little bit, precious metals in big time trouble yet again. Transportation index down a whopping 2.5%. And taking a look here at the markets as a whole, here's the S&P 500, big uptrend. We're making higher and higher swing highs. We got higher swing highs, making higher swing lows here. However, yesterday I warned everybody. I've been trading over 16 years. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to trading. Yesterday, when we had this pause, that stutter step, this was problematic. I said it would not surprise me to see some big red chunky candlesticks dropping right after that. Boom! Exactly what happened. Busting through a support level, support, broken. Huge drop. Dow daily chart. Big drop, heading to a support level. So remember, I'm saying that, heading to a support level. Nasdaq daily chart, big time drop. We got down below the 61.8 Fibonacci. Markets are broken, in big time trouble. And here's the Russells. The Russells did this little mini-me pop and then crashed and burned. We had a big bearish engulfing yesterday to start off the week, and we are just heading lower. Symmetrical triangle breakdown on the Russell's 2000, a little bitty bear pullback, and then drop. Here's what I want to show you on the S&P 500 weekly chart. The weekly chart, follow me here. So important that you listen to what I'm saying here. This is back in June 2013. Big shadow on the weekly chart. We have support. That support comes across to this area, September 2013, shadow line support. Okay, another support area, and this is January 2014. We come over, September 2014, support right now. October 2014 is where we're at now, at a support area intra-week. We're only on Tuesday. So what are the chances that we're going to bounce back up now? It's happened multiple times before at this area. Same trend line on the weekly chart. If I go back to the daily chart, we have a support line coming up very soon on the daily chart on the S&P. The Dow, we're basically at a support level on the daily chart. A lot of support areas. I could see us bouncing here. Woe to the markets if we do not bounce. The markets are set up for a significant drop. Gang, I've been warning you. If you remember, and please tell me that you remember. Please tell me you remember the video where I told everybody on this day, and go back to my videos on YouTube and watch them, or my website down here, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Watch that video, the warning that I gave you guys on September 19th, right there, and then said, watch out below. And it has done nothing but crash and burn. Look at Monday's video, and this was October 6th. The warning that I said, and now what did I say? I want to be very specific in what I said. We pop. I expected another big white candlestick. We did not get that. We had a stutter step. It would not surprise me to see a big red chunky candlestick or series of chunky candlesticks. Boom! We get the Dow dropping 272 points. We're under 17,000 on the Dow. We're under 2,000 on the S&P 500. We are in very troubled times. But again, on the weekly chart, what am I saying? We're at a support level. We could get a bounce here. We could have the same shadow that we had last week, big rally, happen yet again. The markets has to do this. It has to do this to heal itself. If it breaks down from this last moment ditch effort, it needs to correct itself, and immediately to the north. So let me show you something else. The VIX weekly chart is very important. This is the 200-week moving average. Every time we get past this little bit, the markets go very bullish. We get past this a little bit, the markets go bullish. Get past a little bit, the markets go bullish. We got near it, the markets went bullish. We are at it again. Will we go past a little bit and then go bullish? Maybe. Remember, this is an inverse indicator. The VIX only goes up when the markets are going down. So I think that we have a very good chance of the markets going bullish, believe it or not. We can teach you this stuff. We're going to teach you this stuff in Vegas. Think about it. Think about spending 3 days with us. 3 days in a conference room in Vegas where we can relax and we'll share with you the secrets of trading. Been doing this 16 years. We will show you everything that we know in the markets and how to make the markets work for you. Anyway, just get a hold of Carolina at groktrade.com if you can envision yourself spending 3 days with us. We hope you will do so. Matter of fact, I'm going to pay for your airline ticket to come out and join us. Take care.